Peace and greetings, family. My name is Shakira, and I'm just cutting this quick video today because I had something that I wanted to address about MCA. People are asking me every day, is Motor Club of America a scam? And I just want to let you know that MCA is not a scam, okay? MCA is a legit company that's been around since 1926, providing people all over the U.S. with benefits. Some of the benefits include 24/7 towing, unlimited towing up to 100 miles, which most companies don't even give you that much. Tire change, catch a flat, they'll come out and change your tire, lock your car up, they'll come out, pop the lock for you. They provide you with legal services, they'll pay for your first speeding ticket, they give you medical discounts, vision, dental, all of that. MCA is definitely not a scam, okay? And if you are looking into MCA as a legit work from home opportunity, then you can definitely make money with this thing, okay? I joined MCA on a Saturday. One time was supposed to go in, and I doubled my money the same day that I joined. So MCA is definitely legit. You can definitely make money with this, whether you just want to make extra money to pay for your car note, or if you want to make extra money to pay for your mortgage. You can do it with MCA. You can do it, okay? I really got to make this quick because I have a couple of people I need to meet with that are considering joining, but I just wanted to let you know that it's not a scam, it's legit. You want to know more about MCA, you can go ahead and click the link below this video. Join MCA today. Put your information in, watch a couple of videos there, and if you decide that MCA is for you, then you can go ahead and join. If you're already sure that you're ready to go full force with MCA starting now, go ahead and click the second link, which is my company duplicated website. You can go ahead, sign up, then shoot me a quick email, let me know you're in, and I can help you get started. You know, you can add me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter. If you don't have Facebook or Twitter, then you can shoot me a quick email and I will respond, okay? I'm not one of those people who are just, you know, trying to recruit people and not even deal with them no more. That's not me. I'm looking for motivated individuals who are serious about building an income from home. So if that's you, then I really do look forward to contacting you, or you contacting me, or however you want to do it. I just look forward to speaking with you soon, and I hope you have a good day. Peace.